NTRCA is proud to present Golden Hammer Awards for outstanding residential roofing projects to the following three companies: TexCity Roofing, Tice Enterprises, and Joe Hall Roofing and Contracting. TexCity Roofing won in the residential roofing category for its Burleson project. This beautiful home presented a unique safety challenge because the shape of the house was one of a kind, with over 15 pitches. The TexCity project managers and crew put careful planning into safety for this job and had to be extremely careful during installations. TexCity Roofing thanks Southern Shingles and Owens Corning for their contributions to this project. Tice Enterprises won in the residential roofing category for its Ullman Residence project. The Ullmans did their research before selecting a contractor and decided they wanted a DaVinci product for their new roof. They selected Tice Enterprises to install a DaVinci multi-width slate because of Tice's extensive experience with similar projects. Tice wants to thank Roadrunner Roofing Supply and DaVinci Roofscapes, who assisted with this project. Joe Hall Roofing and Contracting won in the residential roofing category for its Cousins Residence project. This home was ravaged by a tornado, and the project began with drying in the home while nearly $1 million in structural components had to be restored. To add to an already complex roof design, the homeowner selected a product new to the market, Daltile Perennial Porcelain Roofing, and the homeowner just happened to be the senior vice president of Daltile and the person who had conceptualized this new product. Joe Hall Roofing thanks Daltile, Berridge Manufacturing, and Western States Metal Roofing for their assistance with this beautiful project. Congratulations to our residential Golden Hammer winners.